In this tutorial, let's see how to use Type tool and adding text in Photoshop. First, select the Type tool from Tool panel, or press T. Click on the canvas and enter to single line of text. When you little lower the pointer, notice that the pointer changed to Move tool. Then you can drag the text. To change the font style, select the text and choose a font style from here. Change the font size from here. Click on this and pick up a font size from drop-down menu, or type a font size that you want. To change color, click on this icon. Then Color Picker window will open. Choose a color. Finally, click on this icon. Hold Ctrl key to enter free transformation. Then drag the corners. You can change the height, width, shape, and orientation of the text. Now let's see how to add shadow and gradient color pattern to text layer. To do that, double-click on the layer to open Layer Style window. Activate the Drop Shadow effect. Then adjust shadow distance, size, spreading, and opacity. Activate the Gradient Overlay effect. Select a gradient from here. You can create a paragraph of text by dragging out a text box. To change text to line, click on this icons. Hold Ctrl key to enter free transformation, and drag the corners to change paragraph size and shape. We can type vertically using Vertical Type tool. Creating a wrap text. Select the text layer. Then click on this icon. Pick a style from this drop-down menu. To convert it to 3D text, right-click on the text layer, then select New 3D Extrusion from selected layer. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. To make sure you don't miss any future videos, turn on bell button.